Implications. Implications of language acquisition or language learning are as follows. The best language lessons may be those in which real communication takes place, in which an acquirer understands what the speaker is trying to say. So the teachers need to be very careful that in the language lessons they use real communication. That means that they are talking to their students and they are using the real communication that is used in conversation in daily routines and daily projects. Whatever tasks are being given to the students must be made clear by the teachers by using that language which is understood by the students. The teachers should avoid using such terms or such words of English in the classroom in order to perform any task or continue with an activity which are not familiar to the students. The best language lesson would be considered the one where whatever is being said and is being conveyed to the students is understood by the students in that language, and everything that is instructed is made clear to the students in that language. That would be a language lesson where acquisition would take place because the teacher has used the language which is spoken and understood by the student. And if there are any difficult words, the teacher needs to make them easier for the students to understand that. So that would be the implication of language acquisition or language learning in the classroom, which would take place and would result in a successful English language lesson. The students need to sometimes ask different words which are not clear to them. It should be encouraged that the students ask these questions so that the teacher can simplify the meanings of those words and make them understandable by the students. So any speaker who is trying to convey a message must take care of it and must have a consideration that the listener would be able to listen to that word, understand the meaning of that word, and also if there is a meaning in context, the listener should be able to understand that. So that would be one of the implications of learning a language or language acquisition.